It's different about you. They're more polished.
I feed the birds every morning out there. Every once in a while a deer come by, or a couple of them, and help themselves to that seed. I guess they really like it, which is okay. We feed the deer too. Yes, we feed the deer too. I think this morning I may have to put some more seed out there. Yeah. Uh-oh. Sox sees the deer. Sox sees the deer. Sox wants the deer. You're eating all my bird seed up out there. I can't see the birds. Sucks. Says them deer don't belong out there. No, that's my piece of land out there. That's where my birdies are. Oh, I know, Sox. I know. I hear you. I hear you. Yes. Sox says, let me at them deer. Let me at them. I want them deer. Yeah. I want them deer. I do. Yeah. Meow. Meow. You better leave Mom's African violet alone there, Sox. She's gonna get mad. She'll get mad you eat that plant. You're just scratching on it, yeah. Yeah. Well, give you an idea of some of the wildlife we have come into our yard here and make themselves at home. It is their home. There they go. They got their fill of seed. Sox, you say goodbye. Say goodbye to the deer. Say goodbye to all the nice people out there, yes. Goodbye.